Hi viewers, welcome to Hotspot Programming. Today I am going to explain you destructuring, rest operator, spread operator in JavaScript. Okay, destructuring. Destructuring allows you to extract values from arrays or properties from objects and assign them to variables in a clean way. Okay, we'll see the example for destructuring. Okay, array destructuring. Okay, const numbers equal to some array 1 comma 2 comma 3. Okay, const a comma b comma c equal to numbers. Okay, console.log of a will check the value what it was getting in console. It was 1. Okay, and we are giving another one, console.log of b, and we'll give c also. Console.log of c. Check. Yeah, we got 3 values, 1 2 3. Okay, a means 1, b means 2, c means 3. Okay, this is restructuring for array restructuring. Okay, we'll check destructuring for objects also. Object destructuring. Okay, const user equal to an object name hotspot programming comma platform platforms on YouTube. Okay, here const name comma platform that equal to user. Console.log of name. Okay, we'll check what it will come. Actually, it have to come. Name means hotspot programming, platform means YouTube. Okay, so YouTube. So here for this we have assign user, so it have to come. Clear this one and run hotspot programming. Yeah, and we'll give platform also. Okay, YouTube. Nice. And this is destructuring for objects. Okay, and yes, here we'll write spread operator. Spread operator. Spread operator expands iterable elements like arrays and objects. Okay, it expands iterable elements. Okay, means we'll check one example for array spread. Array split. Okay, here we'll give like this. This is spread operator. Okay, example, const array1 equal to an array1 comma 2. Okay, const array2 equal to some another array like dot arr1 array1 comma 3 comma 4 comma 5. Okay, and console.log of arr2. See here, we cleared this one, and here I'm giving this array2 in console. So here what we have given is array1. We have given array1 on some another elements. Okay, have to execute 1 2 3 4 5. This is spread operator in array. Okay, we'll check what we get. It was came same, it was executed like what we get 1 2 3 4 5. So what is the help of this spread operator? Actually, if we have so many elements like 9 8 7 6 5 and 11 12 22 something 44 66 88, like this, so many elements we have, right? If we have these many elements, then for typing here it was very tough, right? So if you give like this, it was very easy to write, right? This is the way, and this is spread operator. Okay, object spread operator. Okay, we'll check objects in spread operator. Const object1 equal to some object like a equal to 1. Okay, const object2 equal to dot obj1 comma b colon 2. Okay, console.log of obj2. What we are expecting? A colon 1 and b colon 2. Okay, in when we call this object, it have to execute like a colon 1 comma b colon 2. Check, it was getting some issue here. Constant we have to go. The problem is here we gave a, right? CONST cont, not cont, constant. CONST const. That's the problem. Yeah, it was executed. Okay, and rest operator. Rest operator is also dot dot dot. Okay, yes, yes. Here the rest operator collects the remaining elements into an array or object. Okay, and we'll check we'll see examples of rest operator in arrays and objects. Okay, array rest. Comment this one also. Yes, const first comma rest equal to some array 10, 20, 30, 40, 50, like this. Okay, yes, and we'll check what will come. We'll put it in the we'll put first it in console. Shit. Yes, console.log of first. I'll clear the console. We'll run. It was coming 10. First means 10. Okay, if you give rest, then it will come 20 to 50, rest of the array. Console.log of rest. Check. First it was 10 and rest it was full. Rest of the elements, it will form an array. Okay, yes, we'll check it in objects also. Object rest. Okay, console.log of sorry const a comma some rest of the elements like others. Here we have to write one object, a colon 1 comma b colon 2 comma c colon 3 comma d colon 4, like this. Okay, console.log of a. What it will come? A means, sorry, something happened. Oh, here what happened is, here we have to give curly braces, not array. It was an object, right? Yeah, check. Yeah, now it came 1. And if you give others, console dot log of console.log of sorry, others. Okay, clear ones, run, see, came rest of the elements as an object. Okay, yes, that's it from this video, guys. If you like this video, please do like, share and subscribe Hotspot Programming, and if you have any doubts, comment below. Thank you.